Welcome back to TechLearn TV. My name is Kamal Patani, and this video is going to be about how to resolve a low disk space issue. So if your C drive looks like this, yesterday your C drive was fine, and today it looks like this in red, meaning you're facing low disk space issues. So first of all, let me show you the properties of the C drive. So C drive is in total it's 469 gigs, and it only have 27 GB free space available. So you can also check it from the disk management. It will give you more detail. C drive only have, let's say, about only 6% of the free space left. Now, in order to resolve this issue, either you can go to C drive and navigate to each and every folder and try and check its properties of who's consuming how much space. But that is not a practical solution, but because any of the drive which is like 500 gigs, and it must have multiple folders or thousands of folders in it, and it's really hard to basically identify which folder is the main culprit. There is an open source application called Windirstat. So if you'll type Windir, you can either Google it, and you just need to download this application. You can choose the installer according to your operating system type. I'll choose this one. It's just 2 MB application which will get instantly download. And in order to install it, very simple steps: next, and accept the terms and condition, and next, and next. The good thing about this application, it's completely free of cost. It doesn't ask for any renewal, or it's not a trial. It's basically permanently free application which you can keep in your computer too. So finally, we have installed the application, and I'll just go to my start menu and I'll launch this application. So when you launch the application, it will give you option whether you want to scan all the drives or you can scan the individual drive. So I will only target the one I'm facing trouble with. C drive is the one that I'm facing trouble with, and I will click on OK. So what it is doing right now, it's basically scanning the hierarchy of how much space is consumed in each folder. So yeah, it's telling me under the program files 315 GB is used. So you can expand the tree and check further, and it's telling me under the Microsoft folder it has 313 GB getting utilized. Now under the Edge update, it's giving me 311 GB, so I'll expand it further, and here is the culprit. So iPhone backup, I had my iPhone backup that is of 311 GB. Now, in order to resolve the issue, depending upon your situation, if you're in a production environment, let's say you are troubleshooting on a Windows server, either you can move the files which are not necessary in this drive. I can move it to another drive. That could be a one solution. I can move it to any external drive if I still need the backup. In my case, I don't need it. I already have it in my external drive. So what I'll do, I'll just permanently delete this folder, and it will give me back a good amount of space. So I'm deleting the iPhone backup folder, and by this I'll be able to get my disk space back. So basically, Windirstat is the application to identify, to get to the bottom of the root cause, what files and folders are causing disk space issues, so you can navigate it systematically and not hop onto each file and folder and try to figure out which folder is consuming maximum amount of space. So this is how you fix a disk space issue. If you find this video informative, please like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video and share it among the people who need it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.